Ayan, so this is it. Ayan, so ito yung 2-story duplex unit. Itong side na to, this is a corner lot. Mas malaki yung lot niya kasi corner siya. And magfo-focus tayo dito sa inner unit na 2-story duplex. Ang 2-story duplex at 2-story single attached, same lang yung house design nila. Ang kaibahan lang is that yung katabi ng bahay mo, this one, katabi niyan is firewall. Diyan, firewall ng kapitbahay. So yun yung kaibahan ng 2-story single attached. This one is 2-story duplex. Alright, so let's get inside and unahan natin pasukin yung parking area. Alright, so as you can see, ito yung parking lot. And meron siyang maliit na partition nilagay nila. Alright, so itong parking area na to, pwede siyang makapag-park ng dalawang sasakyan. Alright, so if you have small na mga sasakyan, mga Wigo, mga Aeon, kasya siya dalawa. Alright, so as we get inside, ito yung service area. Ito naman yung place na pwede kang maglaba, manghugas, and you can put a dirty kitchen in this location. Yan, so ito yung nasa likod. Alright, if you are facing sa labas ng unit, so ito yung makikita natin. Ayan, no? So ready na talaga siya for your 2 cars na mag-park. Alright, so of course SUV pwede siya. Tingin ko nga kung may isa kang SUV at saka let's say electric car na Wuling, tingin ko kasya siya no? Kasi yung Wuling na electric car is sobrang liit din niya. So if meron kang SUV plus electric car na Wuling, kasyang-kasya dito. So ito yung unit natin. Let's get inside. Alright. So upon turnover, ito yung makukuha nating unit. Yan. So naka-tiles na siya. Ready na talaga siya for occupancy. No? So ang first floor, it's up to you kung meron pa kayong mga gustong ilagay ng mga partition. And mostly sa tingin ko and most of my clients, wala na silang iniiba dito sa interior. But basically, pwede mo na kasi siyang gamitin agad. So this is the kitchen. Alright, so meron na siyang lababo, may faucet na. And yan. So ready na rin to. Lagyan ng mga kung ano-anong mga bagay dyan sa baba ng lababo. Alright, let's see if this opens. Ayan, so when we open the back, ito yung service area. Ayan. Ganyan. Alright. And again, this unit has 2 CR. So, meron siyang dalawang toilet and bath. Isa sa first floor, isa sa second floor. This is the view of its toilet and bath. Again, complete na siya. Meron siyang shower, meron ng toilet, at saka faucet and lababo. Ayan, may lagayan na rin siya ng sabon. And meron ditong exhaust. Alright. Ayan, so ito yung CR. Ayan, as you can see, this is concrete, hard concrete na stairs. Tapos, pagdating sa level na to, it's a wooden stairs with steel bar na hawakanan sa stairs. Alright. So this one is wooden din siya, solid wood. Alright, so secure na secure talaga tayo when we go up. This will be the turnover condition ng unit natin. Again, it has one vertical window. Meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4. Meron siyang 4 na large window design. And in this area, it has provision for an aircon. And in this area naman, pwede kang maglagay dito ng split type aircon. Meron na siyang ready na socket for a split type aircon. Ayan, so pwede dalawa yung ilagay mo. And sa window na to, meron siyang lagayan ng mga tanim. So you can put your mga plants dito. If you are a plantito and plantita, magagamit mo talaga to. Alright? And again, isang magandang feature ng 2-story units natin is meron siyang CR sa second floor. Alright? So ito yung CR niya sa second floor. Again, complete na siya. May lababo, may toilet, may bath na rin siya, may exhaust window. Ayan. So ito yung nakikita natin ngayon. This will be the turnover unit, no? So ito yung makukuha natin when we reserve a unit in Villa Castena subdivision for our 2-story units. And isa din sa magandang feature ng subdivision na to is this view. Ayan. So yung view natin, no, makikita talaga yung Iligan Bay. Alright, so yung Iligan Bay, nakikita siya from here going in this area. Ayan. And itong unit na to is malapit siya sa overhead water tank. So in terms of water disruptions, wala tayong problema kasi yung tubig natin is fully supplied with our overhead water tank. As you can see, sobrang laking water tank niyan. Ayan. So this water tank will supply water to all homeowners of Villa Castena subdivision. And marami na ding mga units na undergoing na yung construction nila. Alright. And in this area, here, kung makikita nyo dyan, may ongoing construction dyan. Yan yung mga 2-story single attached unit. Hindi pa nila nalagyan ng second floor. Pero yan yung design ng mga 2-story single attached natin. Alright. So dyan din, sa block na yan, galing dun sa unahan, punta dito. Ayan. Dyan ilalagay ang mostly or halos lahat na mga 2-story single attached unit. Alright, so I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you want to know more about this project, just PM me anytime. Comment, message. I will give my digits here above so that you can contact me anytime. And please subscribe to my channel, Unboxing Real Estate PH. Like, share, and comment. For that, paalam pansamantala. See you on my next videos. Bye-bye and God bless.